Struggling with the 0x800f0950 language pack error on Windows 11? I guide you through 3 quick fixes to resolve this issue and enhance your Windows experience. Press the Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate to the following path. See Windows Software Distribution downloads next. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files and folders, and hit the Del key or right-click any of them, and select the garbage bin icon to delete the contents. Now try to install the language pack again. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press the Windows key plus R to start run, type memsconfig, and press Enter or click OK to execute. Click the General tab, choose Selective Startup. Uncheck the Load System Services and Load Startup Items boxes. Next, go to the Services tab. Check the Hide All Microsoft Services box and click on Disable All from the right. Click Apply and OK, then restart your PC. After the reboot, try installing a language pack. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Windows key plus R to start run, type services.sc and click OK or press Enter. Find the Windows Update service and double-click on it. Click on the Startup Type menu and select Automatic Delayed Start. Choose Apply, then OK and check if the problem is resolved. This procedure should trigger the automatic updating for your OS, so if there are any new updates in the pipeline, they will be downloaded and installed. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.